Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel, Inet Digital Marketing. Today, I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on sponsored ads. Don't go anywhere. Do you find yourself paying lots of money to ads gurus just for detailed targeting? Well, guess what? You don't have to anymore. Let me break it down in 3 simple steps. So the first step is know your customer. Let's face it, do you really think someone else knows your ideal customer better than you do? I don't think so. For you to master detailed targeting like a pro, you have to go deep in understanding your customer and knowing who your customer is. So you have to understand their interests, their behaviors, and their demographics, because these are all what you will use when targeting them from the Meta Ads Manager. Consider things like their purchase behavior. Ask yourself, do they have kids? Are they celebrating their birthdays soon? What kind of phone do they use? Really know them and write all the little details down and use that to get them. It's like knowing your best friend's favorite movie, like knowing who your best friend is. So after knowing your customer, the next thing is to use the right tool. So platforms like Facebook Ads Manager gives you free access to powerful targeting options. So you don't need to pay extra. If you are yet to understand how detailed targeting works, you have to play around the Facebook Ads Manager and you'll be wowed by the targeting options you'll find there. So instead of just boosting your Facebook and Instagram posts, you should use detailed targeting to track down your potential customers that will be willing to buy what you're selling. Okay? The final one is A/B testing. So you have to experiment with different audiences to see what is working. And it's like trying on different outfits to know which one is your perfect fit. And don't forget, Facebook ads, Instagram ads is all about testing. If you don't test, how would you know what is working? So don't forget what anybody is telling you. You have to test. Facebook ads is all about testing. It is when you test different audiences that you'll be able to identify the ones that are working and you stick to that. And here's the kicker. DIY targeting not only saves you money, but it also gives you full control. You are going to be doing your business for a very long time, right? So do you really think paying someone anytime you want to run ads is the best way to go? No. So you have to learn. As you have learned, you keep learning, you keep implementing until you have, figured out what is actually working and you stick to it. So the next time you want to pay a guru to do your detailed targeting for you, remember that you can actually master detailed targeting yourself. It is not that hard. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our Inet Digital Marketing family. See you in the next video.